Oh, I just farted.
To start off this Kendall Jenner lookbook, I just started out with a very sporty and chic outfit that she created. The top is just a maroon sweater tank top from American Eagle. The jacket is a leather jacket from Delia's. My leggings were $10 from Nordstrom Racks. Such a good deal. And then the gold purse, or the gold and black purse, is from Forever 21. Super cute. My sunglasses are also from Forever 21. So moving on to outfit number 2, this outfit is so iconic, it's very cute and summery. So my top is just a crop top from Urban Outfitters, my ripped jeans are from American Eagle, of course, and then my boots are just from DSW. They're so cute, oh my gosh. I tried to get as close as I could to the boots that she wore, but obviously I don't have super expensive shimmery boots. Alright, so the next 3 outfits aren't actually worn by Kendall Jenner, but I do think that they're super cute and very model-esque. So this first outfit is just very flowy and comfy, and the top is just a black short sleeve top from Target. The pants are black flowy pants from American Eagle, so comfortable. His sunglasses are from Urban Outfitters. So on to the next outfit. This outfit wasn't really inspired by any specific person. I've just seen a lot of outfits like this online, all over the internet, Instagram models, stuff like that. So this is just a giant, super giant jacket dress. It's like a sweatshirt dress from Forever 21. I literally love it. The choker is just from Forever 21 as well. And the sunglasses are from Urban. So this last outfit is just inspired by Bella Hadid. So the top is actually from Tommy Hilfiger. I purchased it over the summer after saving up a lot of money for it. It actually wasn't too expensive, but for a sweatshirt it was pretty expensive. So the jeans are from American Eagle, the glasses are from Target, and then my shoes are just from Crown Vintage. I already know I'm going to get a ton of questions, so the scrunchie is from Urban Outfitters. Thank you all so much for watching my video, and I love you all so much. You are perfectly imperfect, and I will talk to you all later.